阿凡达
Avatar. In a very distant universe, there was a beautiful blue planet called Pandora.
在很远很远的宇宙中，有一颗美丽的蓝色星球，叫做潘朵拉。
In a very distant universe, there was a beautiful blue planet called Pandora. On that planet lived the Na'vi, a people with blue skin and long tails.
在那里住着蓝色皮肤、尾巴长长的那美人族。
On that planet lived the Na'vi, a people with blue skin and long tails. They loved nature deeply. Trees, animals, and the sky were all their friends.
他们热爱大自然，树木、动物和天空，都是他们的朋友。
They loved nature deeply. Trees, animals, and the sky were all their friends. One day, a human soldier named Jake arrived on Pandora.
有一天，一位名叫杰克的人类士兵来到了潘朵拉。
One day, a human soldier named Jake arrived on Pandora. Jake's legs were injured, so he couldn't walk, but he could use a blue body called an avatar to move.
杰克的双腿受伤不能走路，但他可以使用一个叫阿凡达的蓝色身体去行动。
Jake's legs were injured, so he couldn't walk, but he could use a blue body called an avatar to move. When Jake became his avatar, he could run, jump, and move freely in the forest.
当杰克变成阿凡达时，他可以奔跑、跳跃，还能在森林里自由活动。
When Jake became his avatar, he could run, jump, and move freely in the forest. Everything in the forest felt magical. Plants glowed and animals sang.
森林里的一切都像充满了魔法，植物会发光，动物会唱歌。
Everything in the forest felt magical. Plants glowed and animals sang. One day, Jake met a Na'vi girl named Nitiri.
有一次，杰克遇到了一位娜美少女，名叫奈蒂莉。
One day, Jake met a Na'vi girl named Nitiri. Nitiri taught Jake to respect the forest and all living things.
奈蒂莉教杰克如何尊敬森林和所有生物。
Nitiri taught Jake to respect the forest and all living things. At first, Jake came only to complete his mission, but slowly he began to love Pandora and also Nitiri.
一开始，杰克只是来执行任务，但渐渐的，他开始喜欢潘朵拉，也喜欢奈蒂莉。
At first, Jake came only to complete his mission, but slowly he began to love Pandora and also Nitiri. But the human army wanted to destroy the forest and take the precious minerals inside.
但是，人类军队想要破坏森林，挖走里面的宝贵矿物。
But the human army wanted to destroy the forest and take the precious minerals inside. The Na'vi were heartbroken because the forest was their home, as important as family.
那美族非常伤心，因为森林是他们的家，就像家人一样重要。
The Na'vi were heartbroken because the forest was their home, as important as family. Jake no longer agreed with the humans. He decided to help the Na'vi.
杰克不再同意人类的计划，他决定帮助那美族。
Jake no longer agreed with the humans. He decided to help the Na'vi. He rode a great bird of the sky and flew bravely above Pandora.
他骑上天空中的大鸟，勇敢地在天空中飞翔。
He rode a great bird of the sky and flew bravely above Pandora. Together with Nitiri, he gathered the people to protect the forest.
他和奈蒂莉一起召集族人，守护森林。
Together with Nitiri, he gathered the people to protect the forest. At last, a great battle began between the humans and the Na'vi.
最后，一场大战开始了，人类和那美族对抗。
At last, a great battle began between the humans and the Na'vi. With the help of the forest and its creatures, the Na'vi finally defended their land.
在森林与动物的帮助下，那美族终于守护了自己的土地。
With the help of the forest and its creatures, the Na'vi finally defended their land. The human army had no choice but to leave Pandora.
人类军队不得不离开潘朵拉。
The human army had no choice but to leave Pandora. Jake chose to stay on Pandora and live with Nitiri and her people.
杰克选择留在潘朵拉，和奈蒂莉以及族人生活在一起。
Jake chose to stay on Pandora and live with Nitiri and her people. He had finally found his true home and learned to cherish nature and respect life.
他终于找到了真正的家，也学会了珍惜自然，尊重生命。
He had finally found his true home and learned to cherish nature and respect life.